Nothing wrong with GUIs or graphical user interfaces, but I'm a huge fan of command line interfaces or CLIs. I was really thrilled to know that one of my favorite tools to run large language models locally, LM Studio, has just released their CLI version, which is called as LMS. LMS is a CLI utility from LM Studio which you can run on Windows and Linux locally in order to manage your LLMs locally. There are a lot of things which you can do with this CLI, and I'm more than sure that this is going to be evolving more and more. For example, you can start your models, you can download them, you can list them, you can even start your API server. All of these things you can do from GUI too, but the ability to do them from CLI not only empowers you to include them in your scripts, but it is also much speedier because you remove a lot of layers in terms of GUI. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get it installed, and then we will also see some of the commands which you can run through LMS CLI utility. So first up, if you don't have already installed LM Studio, go to LM Studio's website, which is very simple. Let me take you there. Just go to lmstudio.ai. From there, download the LM Studio for your operating system. For example, I am on Windows locally at the moment, so I already have downloaded it. And then once you have downloaded it, just click on next, and it will get installed very easily. That is one of the beauties of this LM Studio. Once it is installed, then just launch it like this. And if you haven't already, then or if you have it already, I mean LM Studio is already installed on your system, then simply you need to update it in order to use LMS, because you don't have to install LMS separately. It comes bundled with this LM Studio package. So simply click on this check for updates, and it, for me, it is already updated, which is 0.2.22. If you have any version less than that, you won't be able to use this LMS. So I already have this, so I think I'm good to go. Now open your terminal window. And so in order to open the terminal window, just on the bottom left, type cmd, and you can simply click here, and this is your terminal window. Run this command cmd/c, and then whatever user you are using, it will be embedded automatically. So simply use this command, and it is going to bootstrap this lms.exe from this default path. Just in case you have installed LM Studio in any other directory than default, you would have to change this path, which you can see on your screen. So provided that you already have it, so let's press enter here. And once you will press enter, you will see that installation will be done. This is how easy it is in order to get it installed. Now you can't use it in the same one. You would have to just close it, and you would have to open it again. Also, you can run the same command in VS Code, or you can run it in PowerShell too, if you like. So let me close this terminal window, and I'm going to open it again. Simply you can type LMS here, and this is it looks like, as usual, very nice graphics from LM Studio. They are always really good. So a few of the commands which I'm going to show you here, let me actually make it slightly bigger so that you're able to see it. Cool. So maybe in order to check the status, you can do LMS status, and the server is off at the moment. You can start it by saying server start. So what this does is it starts the server at your end, and then you can remotely access your models. So let me start it. It is done. And now you can simply similarly you can stop it, and the server was stopped. You can also do LMS PS, and then it says that LM Studio needs to be running in the server mode, so just press Y, and now you can do the LMS PS. So no models are loaded. So let me load one model, and then I will just, for the sake of it, I'm going to load it here. So just click on these three dots. I'll just remove my previous chat. So maybe Chimera Llama 3. Let me load this one. And if you don't know what this model is, I have just done a video today. So very nice merge of Llama 3 8 billion. Do watch it if you like. Anyway, so let's wait for this model to load. It is loaded now. Let's see if it is able to detect it. There you go. So now you see I have just loaded it. It has given me the local path of this model, the GGUF format, and then what's the architecture, what's the size, and look at how good the graphics is. And if you want to check out the commands again which are available, simply do lms help, and okay, lms dash help. So you can see, you can do ls ps, you can load unload the model, and then for example lms load, does it show me the, yep, it does. It's a particular Linux manual sort of instruction set where you can do a lot of things. For example, if you want to load the model or unload, because we already have loaded it, which you can check with this lms-ls, and then these are the models. And if you want to load any other model, just do lms and then load and then the model name, or you can simply type lms load and it is going to ask you which model you want to load. Maybe I'll say, okay, I want to load this Pruna AI Llama 3 8 billion instruct, the first one, and you see it is loading now. It is just downloading it from the web. It is going to take a bit of a time, and you can simply unload it if you like similarly, and if it is not present. And there are a lot of other things which you can do, hopefully, like you can even create a project with scaffolding where you can host your model, you can share it, and you see that you can bootstrap your CLI. And if you want to know more about these commands, just simply type lms bootstrap dash help and it is going to show you that. Let's wait for this one to finish. And the model is loaded now. Also, another cool feature I saw that you can even set a custom identifier to a model simply by doing dash identify, so that if you want to reference it in the API, you can simply call it up. So pretty good. I mean, I'll be using it more and more. As I said, I mean, I'm really very interested in CLIs. So let me know your thoughts on it. I think pretty awesome model at the moment. And I will drop the link to LM Studio's website in video's description. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, then please share it among your network, as it helps a lot. There you go. This is the version. Thanks for watching.